you guys know I have been loving getting stuff from Temu. You guys know it. This is probably like, I don't know, my 20th haul that I have been doing. But I am super excited to share with you guys what I got at Temu. Now, I have been using a lot of their products. I use some of their products every single day. I have a small coupon, or I have a small business that I use, and I'm constantly using their products. So I'm always trying to get more things that I can save so I can use it for my business. But today I'm going to share with you guys some kitchen stuff for you that I'm going to share with you guys. So if you guys are not new, Temu is a website or an app where you guys can check out stuff. You can get stuff up to like 90% off. They have some really great prices, and a lot of that stuff is better prices than what I've seen with other platforms. So if you guys are looking at something cheap, they do offer free delivery. They have really good customer service. I actually had a problem a couple months ago and I got awesome customer service, but they do allow free returns within the first 90 days, and sometimes if their product is running late, or if you guys didn't receive it in time, you will get like a $5 credit, which I have gotten in the past. But yeah, so if you guys are interested, you can always download the Temu app. I actually have a coupon, a bundle that you guys can get. So it's not $100 off, but they have a $100 bundle. So all you do is click the link below, download the app, click the link below, and then you're going to use the code DKQ2539, and you guys can get a $100 bundle. So a whole bunch of stuff for $100. So definitely check that out. But let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I'm getting for my kitchen. So, I have a flour container, and my flour container is slowly turning bad. It's slowly getting bad, and I wanted to get like a big container that holds it, and I ended up getting this thing. This thing is super nice. I mean, I love the way these like are airtight. They snap on pretty easy. This is a airtight food storage container, and they do come in a couple different sizes, but this is $9.49. Now keep in mind, when you guys do look at some of this stuff, it all fluctuates. The prices might be a little bit cheaper, they might have changed, but it's still a great deal. I always say read the comments. If you guys are looking at products, always read the comments, the reviews on products. But I will have everything that I list in today's video in the description down below. But this is something I want to use for either flour or sugar, but for $9.49 it's a pretty decent price. Then I ended up getting some more chip clips. My kids are always forgetting to put chip clips on, and I'm like, can you just put a chip clip on it? Can you put a chip clip on it? I don't care if I have 5 billion chip clips, they somehow always end up going missing. So these are just something easy, and you don't always have to use them for chips. These can be for a bunch of other things, but I ended up getting a 3-piece chip clips. These are $1.49. $1.49 for 3 of them. Awesome deal if you guys need something like that. Then I actually have stuff on top of my stove. I put some candles on my stove, and my stove sometimes gets all gross on it, and like I kind of want to put something on top of it. But I thought this is something that's kind of cool. Looks like it does got like magnets on the bottom, so it kind of clicks on the bottom. I think if that's what the metal is for. I don't know really. It does say it's magnetic. So this was $7.99, but basically it's just kind of a little shelf. I can't really access it very well, but I know some people have plenty of space. Like, you can always put your salt and pepper shaker, always put some of your everyday spices on here. Otherwise, if I don't use it on my stove, I'm going to use it on my countertop and put like my condiments that I have. Like, we have some condiments that are always on our island all the time, and I thought this would be something kind of cool just to keep it on there. And it's silicone, so it's easy to wash, easy to rinse off. But that is $7.99. Now I have a cookie drying rack that is a big one, and it's a pain in the butt to clean, and my husband is always using it just for like cookies, and he also does like a lot of fryer food, so always uses it, and I'm sick of cleaning it because it's impossible to clean because it's so big. So I ended up getting him a smaller one. So this is about a third of the size of the one that we use. So this is just like a little cooling rack. This was $7.49. Super easy. I mean, it is perfect for what he wants it for. This is the first thing I thought of when I wanted to get something from Temu. I'm like, we're getting him a drying rack because I'm sick of constantly washing that big thing. And that thing is small enough where I can fit it in my dishwasher. So it's easy peasy, just like that. Now we do microwave a lot of stuff. And my husband, I'm always like, cover it up, because it splatters all over. So I ended up getting these like splatter things. These are super cool. This one is a 5-piece. I know the 3-piece was the orange, the green, and the red, but I wanted them all different sizes because we always are microwaving different sizes. Sorry for the thing, but these were $9.99 for all 5 of them. But I'm always using my silicone things, and all you do is just put it over your food, and then you cook it, and you don't have to worry about all that splatter. And then these are super easy just to put in the dishwasher, but for 5 of them for $9.99, I'm loving it. So I'm super excited to use these because I have one that my son accidentally started trying to cut. I'm like, why are you cutting it? So yeah. Another item I have is this garlic keeper. Now my husband, he loves garlic. He's obsessed with garlic. And he kind of just lets it sit out in the open, which is fine, but I'm like, I want to get something kind of just making the kitchen look a little bit nicer, and I ended up getting this nice, cool little garlic keeper. Now, I was having a hard time trying to figure out what one do I want, but I thought this one kind of looks cool. It's got like an easy cover to it. You know that there's garlic in it, but this was just, $10.99, but this will be just like a little spot that we have on our countertop that he can put all of his little garlic pieces on it, and I don't have to worry about it sitting in bags or anything like that. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys on that little easy thing. He actually really enjoyed this. When I showed it to him, he's like, oh, that looks cool. So I was pretty excited to share with him. His favorite thing that he loves cooking with is the garlic. Then I've been really into getting rid of a lot of our plastic and like metal kitchen utensils, and I'm trying to go more with like the silicone ones because then they don't scrape the bottom of my pans. These are it's a 5-piece or a 6-piece. This is 6 pieces, and this is $6.99. So I have like a little silicone spoon, which I really like. I have a silicone like spreader, and this is actually what I really wanted to use because like it's kind of like a knife, but it's so much easier to use. I've been using one for when I like spread like frosting and stuff on. Then we got one of these little like, you can like spread melted butter on stuff, which is always nice. And then I ended up having a bigger silicone spoon, which is perfect. And then I have a medium and bigger spatula, which I use spatulas all the time. So you can get these for just $6.99. That's a great, great deal, and it's a pretty purple, which I absolutely love. But that was everything that I got for kitchen items. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And like I said, I have all that stuff down below. If you use that code DKQ2539, you guys can end up getting a $100 bundle for just all this stuff. And I'm pretty excited for that. So make sure you guys check out my other Temu haul. I got lots of stuff to share with you guys. Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys next time for another Temu haul. Thanks you guys for watching, and bye-bye.